Got an app on your iPhone that you'd rather keep private? Maybe it's your banking app, personal notes, or something you just don't want showing up on your home screen. The good news? You can hide apps on your iPhone in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, find the app you want to hide. Press and hold the app icon until a menu pops up. If you're using a newer version of iOS, you'll see an option called Hide and Require Face ID. Tap it, confirm your choice, and that's it. The app instantly disappears from your home screen. Now, you might be wondering, where did the app go? Simply swipe all the way to the app library. Scroll down and you'll find a folder called Hidden. Tap it, use Face ID, and you'll see all your hidden apps there. So if you want to unhide the hidden app, just press and hold and tap on Add to Home Screen. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you want even more privacy, put a few apps inside a folder and move that folder to the last page of your home screen. Most people won't even notice it's there. And that's it, a super easy way to keep apps hidden on your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.